Yo guys, welcome to another vlog. This is an unboxing video of my new Brazil currency note, and I said for before 10 days it will come, and it has arrived last. See this package, they have posted it, but they have given a strong cover for the protection to Jayasuriya. You should not see Oh, this is a paper covered. I ordered a Brazil to reise note. Okay, let's see this what is inside. Or else we can get another note also. I don't know, because of the changing of the currencies. It's correct, man. See this. Oh shit, it's original, man. This is first time I'm buying in ebay.com. And I have ordered an antique 1 cent US coin and one West Virginia coin also. Yes, they are inside, but they didn't put any covers in them. Okay guys, this is the second time I'm doing, and these are the coins which were inside. This is from West Virginia. This is new coin, man. But another is 1 cent. This is an antique piece, which we can see the Abraham Lincoln photo, and backside it is White House. Okay guys, let me see you and another vlog, guys. Bye. Good luck, guys. Give a like.